Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how you can check if your laptop has a expandable RAM or the maximum capacity what you can expand the RAM on your laptop. So this video is for you guys. I will guide you how much GB you can expand and what is the maximum capacity you have on your system or laptop. So we can directly open the CMD normally in order to check that. Okay, and we need to open the task manager guys. So first of all, so right click on the here and then click on task manager. First we need to look for the how many free slots we have. So click on memory. So as you can see here guys, slots use 1 of 1. It means that I have only one slot and that is used. If I go to other laptop here guys, and let me show you here the task manager also. This is my Dell laptop. Go to performance and go to memory. As you can see here, slots used 1 of 2 means it has 2 slots and one is used. If you have 4 slot here and 2 are using, that it should be showing 2 of 4. That means that 2 slots are free on your laptop or system. So how to identify that what is the maximum capacity you can expand on your laptop, okay, or system? Let me show you. We can open the command prompt here simply guys, and we need to hit this command wmi mem physical get max capacity. Okay, so let me hit enter. wmi c mem phy physical space capacity, then comma space. Okay, get, we need to also type here get, and then we need to memory devices and hit enter. Okay, this seems to be bad command here guys. Let me show you. Get max capacity space mem phy physical space get capacity. Okay, max capacity we need to type here max capacity space dash space memory devices. Oh, let me type here guys, physical get let me copy this command if that is working. Okay, this is working. Okay, we misplaced this with the A, so that is showing incorrect. So don't worry, you can type this command here like this. Okay, we need to copy this, and this is showing in the kilobyte KB. We need to select this and just copy this, and we need to open the Google Chrome, and in here type here this and KB into GB. So as you can see here, it is showing 33 GB. So it means that I can expand the memory up to 32 GB on this laptop, but only in the one slot. I have to remove the one memory, existing one, and then insert the one memory which has the 32 max capacity, 32 GB. Okay. And if I talk about the other laptop, so this is the command. Okay, c mem physical get max capacity space memory devices, and let me copy this and go to Google, and let me show how much I can expand in this laptop. KB into GB. As you can see, 16 GB. I can expand the 16 GB of it, as I am using here the 4 GB, so I can expand the 12 GB more, means 16 GB. I can maximize the memory here with the two slots. One is for 8 GB and another is 8 GB. So, and also you can check its generation here, so that you can purchase the correct RAM for it. It's DDR3 and its speed is, you can see here, 1600. If I talk about this, it's 2333 and it's DDR4. Okay, so I'm pretty sure guys, after applying this method, you are confirmed that how much you can expand your laptop, how much memory you can expand on your laptop, and what is the maximum expandable memory on your laptop or system. So I hope this video helps you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.